Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Now tap on Emergency Information and select Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Then tap on the chosen one that you wish to add. By tapping on Add Contact again, you can add a second one and even a third one, or a fourth one. If you wish to delete one of them, just click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on and click on Emergency Call, I need to choose Emergency Information at the top. Click again to see that all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!